Hey guys, John Thompson, Spring Framework Guru here. So in this section of the course, we are going to jump in and build a Spring Boot web application. I'm going to show you how to create it using the Spring Initializer. We can go over to start.spring.io and download a ready-made Spring Boot project. And I'm going to move a little fast in this section because I like to get my hands on and kick things and see how things work together. And I'm going to show you a lot of best practices. We're going to build a simple application, but I'm going to show you how Spring is used to build a web application. So we're going to move a little fast, but don't worry, that the way I teach my courses, what I try to do is give you a little bit of a foundation, then a little bit more and a little bit more. So I progressively will build upon things that you learn. So don't worry, I know we're going to move fast through this section. Don't worry about that, because as we progress through the course, we are going to fill in a lot of those gaps. So this is just meant to have a lot of fun in this section. We're going to learn how to build a web application. I want you guys to see just how easy it is in skilled hands, once you know the stuff about Spring Framework, just how easy you can build a web application. So I think this is a really cool section. So I'm excited to show you this stuff. It's going to be a lot of fun to get our hands on and knock out a little web application using Spring Framework 5 and Spring Boot.